me, Chaser here, and today when I got home, I saw a brand new toy in the garage, and I can't wait to show you guys what we got. Let's go check out the new toy. Oh god, we gotta turn this country stuff off real fast. What happened?
Do you have any jumper cable?
I have jumper cables. Wow, I was about to show off the new toy. I just got out here and the freaking doesn't even start. Oh my god.
Does the radio drain it?
Let me.
We need to unhook it.
It was on.
Bailey, come here. Hey,
The radio's
hey,
on.
take this then. The radio. I have jumper cables.
We need to unhook it.
Here, take the camera for now. Kind of struggling on picking up the hoods around here.
Oh, all these are new.
Wow.
All this is new.
Shit. Oh damn. Damn. Well, why are you guys trying to set it up? Let me
Oh, Yumi looks so cute. What up, 1993?
So the car came with 17s and it's supposed to have 14s. Those are the wheels. It's pretty bad. We had a Ricer, I guess, own this before, but look at this freaking cannon. What's the engine size again?
1.8.
It's a 1.8. Yeah, and we got a cannon on the back of it. Freaking this freaking cat doesn't even have rear brakes. Mom, what are these?
You know what? Justin so far hasn't too, so I don't know.
The thing on the hood right here?
Just don't touch them.
They look like grenades, dude. I don't know what the heck you're buying. These are part of the car. This literally looks like a bomb strapped to under the hood. Did that come back in freaking 1993?
Well, it has something that's like attached to it. A fluid or liquid. That
I don't know what that is.
Okay, try it.
Oh damn! Oh yeah!
Turn the lights off.
It's a monster right here.
Wanna take it out?
Yeah, go for a ride. Hey, wait, Mom, give it a little gas. Whoa. So rice. Oh my God, this Euro gang. Oh my God, you can smell it. It's horrible. Now we have 3 Volkswagens at the crib. Damn, look at this door.
Yeah, get the battery going.
Okay.
Oh. Wait, you driving it?
Hold on.
Okay. Oh man, I can't wait to drop the top in this bad boy. We got a drop top now. Oh my God, the interior.
You gotta just take the top down.
You should
Look at this
we should
interior.
follow by Justin. They're right
I
here.
know, let's go to Justin.
Let's-
Get in. It's illegal, I got no tags.
Oh my God.
It's illegal.
What do you mean you don't got tags?
Come on, Anthony, let's go. Let's go. No seatbelt, no tags. Damn.
How do you put the windows down?
Dude, I can put my windows down too.
Yep.
Wow, look at this interior. Oh, this is rice. This is straight rice.
We're going to Anthony's work because he works for thugs now.
This is so rice. Oh my God, what's in here? Wow. Oh jeez.
Careful.
It just did that on its own.
Oh, door's falling apart.
Dude, I'm scared there like might be spiders in here, so there's like a hole right here.
That's awesome.
Oh. Can you get out?
Help her.
Oh my god. Jeez, this car's consuming you. Couldn't even get out of the back. Guess my buddy's GLI freaking transmission blew up. Let's check this out.
I don't know. Probably last night.
Damn. Oh.
Wait, you guys think it works again? Huh? You guys think it works?
I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty
took
sick.
that off.
It looks
You
pretty
didn't
sick like
scratch
this.
it.
No, my transmission blew up.
Is that it?
Oh no, I just took my bumper off.
I was
Damn.
But if it's not moving under gear, it's
You don't know. It could be just a sensor. It could be a code. Just don't worry about it. We'll get it fixed.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty sick like that.
that's the transmission. Yeah. It's like leaking everywhere. Dude, even my subframe is bent. Like legit. It looks like someone took it out, drove the fuck out of it, and parked it back. Like, I haven't touched it. Last time I touched it was when I went to the dealership, and it was completely fine. And when we got home yesterday, I was like, "What's under your car?"
Think someone just straight up stole your car? Nah,
Dude, it's all dented. Nah, I was kidding.
I'll say. Well. Oh, the lighting.
There goes all those grands I saved up.
Huh?
So there goes like my 7 grand I saved up.
Wow. Beautiful car. Best one in Southern California. Promise you. I'm gonna have to do a video on this bad boy. Shit's so clean. Shit's loud too. Beautiful car. Oh!
All my fucking cars.
Wow.
What the fuck?
I'm over here hyping this up. This is the best car in Southern California. That just happened. Oh, what the hell? Did that in gold? What the?
Told you.
So let's see. Out of what, how many volts? 6 Volkswagens here. 2 are down.
The only car I have is this. That's all
Oh wow. Well, we're gonna have to postpone that review video for this bad boy. So
That's what I'm telling you.
y'all think I wasn't lying about how this is Volkswagen Central. There's one there, GLI over there, cab over there, another Mark IV GLI, freaking GTI, and a Corrado, and then we got my Mark 7 at home. So he's rocking the sticker. Whoa, damn, bro. Yeah, drop top, bro. Damn, let's check this bad boy. We out here, we got no top on.
I actually have a convertible.
It's a nice convertible.
Poor Justin.
Damn, look at these gauges. Are you trying to swing this or what? Jeez, it's so loud even with the top off.
Oh my god.
Guess not. The miles,
The time, gas.
but we made it back home alive. Oh,
Works now? Yeah.
let's go, Billy. Back home. Dude, are we gonna have what, 7 cars here? 6? We have. Dude, we got too many cars. Ooh, look at that one though. That's where it's at. So here's my sister's Volkswagen. It's another one. It's the Mark V GLI. Oh, she's a little camera shy, but wow. Wow, you're rocking the sticker too? Wow, thanks. The new bad boy to the collection of Volkswagens. So many. We have so many Volkswagens. It's nuts. Off in the sunset. Let's get a real startup. Let's show them what a real startup is. So that's pretty much it for the cab. It's a 1993. It's kind of not in the best condition, but you know, it's an old car. We're gonna fix it up. Hopefully, we get a video in the future with us fixing it up. But just for more videos in the future, you know, I'm still gonna probably do the takeovers. Still gonna do some races and everything. But I want to show some of my personal cars and what we have going at the house. We have Mark 5 GLIs, my friends. Mark 4 GLI, GTIs, cabs, Corrados. We pretty much have everything besides ours and R32. And don't forget to like and subscribe for some probably more takeovers, more Volkswagen stuff and everything. And see you in the next video. Peace.